Hi there, welcome to 40 Lessons in 40 Years. My name is Boluwatepe David. People call me Mr. Focus and I am the people's coach. Lesson 19. You cannot serve two masters. You cannot be problem focused and at the same time solution focused. I know that the principle of not being able to serve two masters is something that you're not alien to. But the application of this lesson today is on the strength of the fact that it is not possible for you to be thinking about problem and at the same time be thinking about solution. There's this thing that we normally say that where you focus, energy flows, and where energy flows, things grow. When you focus your attention on problems, what you would notice is that energy begins to flow in that direction, and of course it begins to grow, and before you know what is happening, all that you can see around your life will only be problems. But if you focus your attention on solutions, the same way energy will flow in that direction, then it begins to grow, and all that you begin to see will be solutions, right? So the question here is, what are you focusing on? Are you focused on problems or are you focused on solutions? I know that the question may be going on in your mind where you're saying that, oh, but before I can find a solution, I need to find out what the problem is. I agree with you that there is a need for you to do some form of problem analysis, but the challenge is that people get into the state where they are now analyzing problems. By the very nature of life, it is very easy for us to spot problems. What is difficult to find is solution. That is why you don't want to spend too much time asking questions that will keep bringing the problems to you. You want to spend your time asking questions that will bring solutions to you, because one of the ways you can change what you're actually focusing on over time is to change the quality of the questions you are asking. So for example, right, let's say I'm not feeling too well in my body. I can ask a question of why am I sick? And then I can also ask the question, how can I get well? In the question of why am I sick, it brings everything that supports the problem to my focus. But when I begin to ask the question, how can I be well? It begins to help me explore solutions. So as much as you want to commit some time into finding out what the problem is, you want to ensure that you're not building a castle there. Because the only way to solve a problem is by solving it. So stop trying to serve both masters at the same time. The master that requires your service is solution. And that is the only way that you can navigate yourself out of whatever problem you found yourself in.